this bot should give you a very good a good edge when it comes to executing your trading strategy, and we will refine it going forward. We will maybe adjust the amount of news posted. I'm not quite sure. I think it would be good to get like some of your feedback. So feel free to share it anywhere in the Discord and tag me, because I'd love to know if you think this is helpful or not. And that's number one. So this one will push news as soon as it finds them, and you can use them to make your trading decisions. And then, for example, if we see Amazon AI demand triggers AWS revenue acceleration, and we are like, maybe Amazon could be a good investment, then we have another bot, and we can, for example, check the price of Amazon with /price and then just the ticker AMZN. And then we'll get this neat little answer here. Amazon market data, current price is $257.97. That is the asset that is listed on FBYT. So there's no fluctuation here. Like the main stock, this is the tokenized stock that we have listed. So if you were to head over to FBYT right now, then this should be the price. Of course, now a couple minutes have gone. Not a couple minutes, but a minute or so has gone. But if we check here for Amazon, then it should be right around that price. Let me check here. If we do one Amazon, 258.25.3. So it's slightly fluctuating, but the asset that our bot pulls from is the tokenized stock. So it should be as accurate as possible. And we get to see the 24-hour change here. So we can see in 24 hours, it's currently down 1.36%. So maybe it's actually a good opportunity to jump in right before market opens. Did NYSE open yet? I'm always not sure. It either opened half an hour ago or it opens in 30 minutes. Sorry, I try to find out if we already opened. Yeah, we opened 30 minutes ago. So looks like market is a little bit bearish, even though I'm pretty sure that will turn around soon. And then if you decide to trade it, you can just click here, visit app.fbyt.io. And maybe I can change it to immediately go into the trade section. I'm not sure, because people, of course, might not be logged in. And you can trade it here. So, and this will work with any asset, that we have listed on FBYT. Sorry, guys. Here. This will work with any asset that we have listed on FBYT. And you can check not just the price, but you can also check /movers if you just want to have a quick update on which assets are currently moving up, moving down, and it will give you the 3 top gainers that we currently have listed on FBYT and the 3 top losers that are listed on FBYT. So as we can see, Meta is currently getting absolutely demolished on those news that we saw before. Minus 5.4% despite their recent release of their AI, the one that's supposed to run on your home desktop, which I didn't look into, but I think is quite interesting actually. And yeah, this way you can hopefully make some more informed decisions, and you can immediately look into, hey, why is Meta falling? Why is Pump falling? Why is PIF falling? And on the other hand, you can be like, why is Link rising? And immediately look into what's happening on the markets. Then again, down here, you can trade these assets instantly on FBYT. And the last one that I want to showcase real quick is /simulate. So, for example, if you have USDC, and well, let's actually go with something else. Let's go with Apple. We have one Apple share and we want to switch into, let's say, into Solana. Then we can basically simulate how much Solana we would currently get for our Apple by just importing the amount from which asset to which asset. Again, /simulate is the command, and then we just press enter, and it will give us a swap simulation. So you pay 1 AAPL, and you receive around 4.048 Sol. Then, of course, this includes some slippage tolerance, and the final output may vary. But if we go to FBYT, let's actually just go here, and we select Apple. We say we have one Apple share. We want to switch it into Solana. Here we get 4.06, so it's quite close. We will refine these going forward, but these tools are just supposed to give you basically some edge compared to the competition, right? We want to just help you get a quick overview of the market and make some informed decisions. And so these are the current functionalities of the bot. Again, we have just added them yesterday, so I'm actually very, very eager to hear anybody's feedback, including anybody from the team as well, by the way. So feel free to test them, and if you have a feature that you would like to see there, just let me know, because we can add stuff, and we want to make it as useful as possible. All right. That being said, I still would love to invest into, or not invest, to make the first trade in our community vault. And as we can see in announcements, it looks like we have a winner. Somebody else voted. I'm pretty sure maybe it was Fila. I'm not sure. Maybe Freeborn, you did it. But Apple received another vote. I swear it wasn't me. I just voted for it one time. But yeah, unless anybody has good arguments against it, I think we'll do a 25% investment into Apple right now. I am personally a little bit bullish on them. I think they're playing the AI hype the right way by not massively overspending on creating data centers, and instead just using the infrastructure from Google mostly. And I think the foldable iPhone, even though I personally don't plan on getting one, I think it will be quite successful. So unless anybody has any objections, this will be what we will invest into. And let's go USDC to Apple, and we will just invest 25% into 0.187 Apple shares, and let's see how that performs. I don't think this will be a long-term position, in the sense of, at the latest, or actually I have to see. I would like to see Apple go near all-time highs before selling, which would be around a 10% jump. But yeah, let's see and wait. I think for the next trades, we will also have a poll, have it up a little bit earlier so people can, oops, I need to unlock my wallet. For that, I need to change stream settings real quick. Sorry, guys. Give me a second. I just need to unlock my wallet. And then we'll execute this trade. And that's it already for today's stream, pretty much. The goal with the community vault is that we want to reach certain milestones, and every time we reach a milestone, we want to basically give away all the fees that this vault has generated, which of course in the beginning won't be too much, but as we scale up, those rewards will scale as well. And the goal is to give transactions sent. Oops, my bad. I think I just took too long. There we go. And swap successful. And our community vault now has around $58 of Apple shares in there. And we still have around 175 USDC that we can invest. And the goal is to basically do this over the next few streams, make some decisions, and decide together with the community how we can best grow. And yeah, once we reach milestones, the goal is to basically distribute all the fees that we have generated, and maybe we can host some giveaways on top. Um, to everyone that participated, that either invested their own funds into the vault, or at the very least uh, appeared in the streams like you guys today, and helped decide which assets to invest in, discussed in the chat with us. So basically just be active, and you'll have a good chance at that. And I think we will not share any big details right now, but just be assured, because we know that challenge ended, and the sort of small ambassador program that we have running has also ended. So I know a lot of content creators that joined us through these programs are currently waiting for what's next, and I just want to tell you that we are working on something very, very big in the background. um, as far as I know, the launch should not be too far away, although I'm not sure I can give an ETA right now. But we are talking about a maximum of weeks. We're definitely not talking about months here. So keep an eye on the announcements. Basically, we will share more as we get closer to that. But we are planning a massive upgrade. I'm not sure if both of you were in the stream last week, where we already showed like the new platform functionalities that are coming, with limit orders, with stop loss orders, with bot strategies. So you can expect that very soon. And you can expect on top of that some new systems that will reward everyone that uses FBYT, that promotes FBYT, that creates content with FBYT. So yeah, just give us a little bit of time. We know it's not easy to wait, but we appreciate all of you being here. And that's pretty much already it for today. Thank you for joining, even though it was on such a short notice. For the next stream, we will have. First of all, we will announce it earlier. Second of all, Freeborn, I think you joined after this, so we will have a X stream on Thursday at sorry, I get confused by the time zones. I think 1 p.m. UTC. So depending on your time zone, might be a little bit later, earlier, but 1 p.m. UTC is the scheduled time for it. So feel free to tune in for that, and we will continue our weekly community streams, and we will announce early enough the next one. We will have some poll for you all to vote in on what we should do next with the community vault, and I will also get my audio fixed by then. Big promise. Yeah, that's pretty much it already. Thank you for joining. I think we might have a recording to upload, but we will have to trim it down a little bit. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks, guys. I will see all of you very soon, and hope to see some of you on Thursday.
Thanks, Yasin, and thank you everybody who joined. I will also post the recording on our YouTube channel, so if you haven't tuned up earlier, you will see the whole recording. Thanks, everybody. Bye bye.